So we got tired of building fence above ground, so we're going underground.
One orange hammer, check.
Check, orange, just like those are.
One banana clip, definitely ain't gonna need that today.
Check.
Check. Angle grinder with cutting disc, check.
Check.
This is our pre-flight check. Please stow all your tray tables and make sure your seats are upright. Get ready for a nice flight on over to the underground. Got batteries on the other side. We got the dealio on the other side. Gotta have a dealio.
Do we have the?
We do have that thingamabob.
Right. Off to the underground we go.
The underground.
A couple times.
Okay.
I'm not into the wall. Not really familiar with it.
Here we are. Completely fell off the rail, huh?
This is unfortunate. The gate is
Broken.
so that's going to be quite the field repair. It's not bent, it's freaking broken. At least keeps it together. We try and flatten this out. Alright. There's one.
That is. What's going on, Matt?
So we are getting ready to put on the ground wheels, and we realized down here on this other end that the weld broke, and so as a field repair we're just going to self-tap the corner that broke. And actually it works out pretty good for us because we can just turn the gate to put the broken end on the back side and put the ground wheels on the front side that's still good. I think by doing that it'll be a lot better, be more sturdy when it rolls. The proper way to do this is to bring it back to the shop and fix it, but this particular client just wanted a quick fix until the next time it get hit. So that's what we're gonna do, and it's coming along pretty good so far. Okay. Why don't you try to straighten back out some? Yep, you're good. 2 foot. 1 foot. Got about this much. Come on. Okay. You're on it. Now bring it back just a little. Come on. Come on. A little more. Come on.
A little more. I think a tad more.
A little more.
More. I think.
Okay.
Professional
solution.
Professional driving right there.
Perfectly. What?
Yeah. Oh, no, wait, right there.
Yeah.
Right there.
Now we tighten.
Now we tighten.
Look at the muscles. Zoom in on the muscles. Oh yeah.
That felt weird.
We just wrapped up out here. As you can tell, we got the gate put back up. We also got the gate flipped around. When we first got here, the screen was on the inside of the gate, so I don't know what happened there, but we were able to basically turn the gate around and put the crappy corner on the back and put the good corner on the front where we can get some good ground wheel action. And subsequently, we now have the screen on the front side, which is where it should be anyway. So all in all, it turned out pretty good, and we're out of here.
All right, guys, it is bright and early Thursday morning. I'm over at Wireworks because we just got another shipment of wire in. Now, this time around, the driver wasn't super stoked about having either himself or his truck in the video, so we're gonna start a little bit later. So all the wire's been brought into the shop. I'm gonna show you kind of what that looks like. This is it. We got 45,000 pounds roughly of 11.5 gauge, 1.2 ounce galvanized before weave. what we're getting ready to run through that machine and turn into a little bit of 4 foot 11.5, some 6 foot 11.5 temporary wire. We got 24 carriers, so rough math tells us there's a little around 2,000 pounds. Now, of course, this in the back, that was already there. So yeah, 24 carriers, 11.5 gauge, 45,000 pounds of wire. Let's put it up right there. And just like that, all the wires put up. Like I said, 24 carriers, 45,000 pounds. I think I said 2,000 pounds of carrier earlier. It's like 1,800 and change. You get it. There's a bunch of wire there. Actually, and that doesn't count this little piece that was left over from the last production run. So yeah, a bunch of 11.5 gauge. And then we've got some 9 gauge here. So these 3 rows are 9 gauge a little bit. So we're still waiting on a load to come in of 9 gauge. And then we've got a little bit 11 gauge. So yeah, if you guys need any wire, let us know. Let's talk about the wire for a second. So it's all from Davis Wire, California. So it's a domestically produced wire. In talking with some of you that buy wire elsewhere, you're totally fine with buying import produced wire. Or wire that's produced outside of the country. So yeah, I don't know where we're going to put it. There might be like some free area here somewhere. We got to keep that dock door open. But yeah, so we're going to import some wire. And that way we'll have options for you guys. So if you guys want domestically produced wire, we'll have that. If you guys are okay with import wire and are looking for more of a less expensive product, we'll have that for you as well.
Okay, so turn that off. So I'm on my way to go meet Victor and Abe. I think they're finishing up a job at the Boys and Girls Club, so that should be cool. And yeah, let's hit it.
You will see my dirty gloves. Eh? Hey, that means I'm working very hard.
Exactly.
My YouTube. Because this is on terminal post, and there's nothing else to support the gate, like here, you know, preventing from sagging. So what I did, I just pre-drill, put a rewire. The rewire, it goes like probably like 8 inches down, and like probably like 2 feet up to here, up, and I fill it up with concrete up to probably here. So that way it has a little more extra support for the gate to prevent it from sagging over time. If it doesn't see the level, it's kind of right on the money.
Yeah.
So it's not sagging. If it's not sagging right now, you know, it might not sag anymore. But you know, the thing on the concrete and the rewire, that helps a lot.